Hi, I'm Raha. Let's color Esther Hulk.
Do you know what color's Hulk?
Yes, green.
Green, yes.
I use marker. Let's go.
Okay, my friend. Raha wants to color Hulk. She used green marker. Let's go, Raha. Start coloring. Yes, machine color displays green. You're really nice. Thank you. Okay, color displays. Raha. Color displays green too. Yes. Color green. Yeah. Continue. Yeah. And do the same here. Thank you. Marker is blue.
This is blue, Mommy.
Yes, that's blue. Open it. Yeah, and now color pens. Do you know the angry face? Angry face? Do you know?
Yes.
Can you show me? Angry face, angry face, angry face. Can you show me? Wow! Show the angry face. It's really funny. bunny hat with the Easter egg, and my daughter decorates the egg with colorful circles. Okay, color displays and displays in black. Open the black. Okay, I help you. Color displays black. Yes. This is his hair too. Okay, and displays. Yeah. Perfect. Okay, now we want to color his bunny hat. Which color do you want? Say the color. Orange, yes. Use the orange to color his head. He's the Easter Hall. He's angry and so cute. You love